Eternity. Jesus, walk eternity. Jesus, walk eternity. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Super. Yeah. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan generals. So we're going to look into the question as these quick messages to find out what's going on with the person on your mind. Okay, with this we're going to explore the question. So what do they want to say to you right now? Okay, so we're going to have a look with this deck, okay, where it's got lots of like different messages on some kind of like hobbies or interests, as well as things that they may want to say to you, and messages from their higher self. So the divine masculine to the divine feminine. So we're gonna see what wants to come out. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling irie. Okay. Right, let's have a look. What wants to come out? So this person could be an animal, a lover. Okay, they might like have a pet or likes to be around animals. We've got a message here. I trust you more than anyone else. You've earned it. Ooh wee. Okay. I trust you more than anyone else. You've earned it. I cherish the moments we spend together. They are the highlights of my day. So I feel like this could be somebody that is in close proximity to you. They could also be a nature lover, okay? So this finger feels like it wants to pull. Let's have a look and see what is coming out. Okay, alluring scent. So this person can have an alluring scent, or you can have an alluring scent, and they are drawn to that, or you've noticed that there seems to be a they seem to be drawn or mention, okay, what type of scent do you wear, okay, or have an interest in your dress or things like that. We've got strong capable hands. So this person could have strong capable hands, or could have mentioned that. It could be, you know, they could have said something like, don't worry, I've got strong capable hands. Okay, let's see what else wants to come out. What does the divine masculine want to say to the divine feminine at this time? Okay, let's have a look. I'm scared of losing you because you have become so important to me. So there's a lot of energy here going on with this person and what they want to say to you right now. Okay, let's have a look. What else wants to come out? What else wants to come out? So you have a way of making even the simplest moments feel magical. Wow, so there's a lot of messages here. Ooh wee, ooh la la. Okay, brown eyes. So they could also have brown eyes. Perhaps you have brown eyes. Let us know. Put it in the comments down below. We have radiant skin, and we have outdoor adventurer. So this seems to be someone who has a strong energy of like enjoying earthy things, the nature. Perhaps they could have like be an earth sign, or could have some they could probably have an earth sign in their their birth charts, perhaps. Okay, or this could be also be you. Like one fell on the lap. So here it goes. You have a unique ability to make any problems disappear with a single glance. Look at this. Right, last shuffle. Although there seems to be lots of messages, but we're just going to go for the ones that want to come out. Look at this one. So to the divine masculine, to the divine feminine, so DM to DF, okay? Your energy inspires me to do better and be a better person. So we're going to have a look now using the tarot. Why are all of these messages popping up for the person on your mind, what they want to say to you, what they want to tell you? So why are these messages here, these collective messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, the person on your mind? Why do they want to tell you all of these things? Why do they want to share these messages with you? Okay, we've got the Knight of Wands. So I feel like with the Knight of Wands here, it's like this feeling that they want to take action. They want to express through their, I feel like it's like they want to express through their fiery passion and really show you what, like, I feel like it's like they want to take action by showing you, coming towards you. And I feel like they feel like that's the best way forward of showing you that they are serious about wanting to take action when it comes towards you. Okay, let's have a look and see. Now the finger feels like it's pulling on something. Let's have a look. Look at this, the Four of Wands. So it could be someone who's serious about coming forward and like giving an offer, and a serious offer, like a commitment. Okay, now let's have a quick look and see what was going on. Okay, what's going on here? What's going on here? As part of these quick messages, what's going on here? What's going on here? Okay, so we have the Ace of Wands and the Queen of Wands. So I feel like with the Ace of Wands and the Queen of Wands, I feel like there could have been some kind of insight that has now come forward with this person on your mind that is maybe now coming forward with the Knight of Wands energy. Okay, it's like they kind of, I feel like it's like stepping out of their comfort zone to come forward and be brave. I'm getting the energy, the message is like they're wanting to be brave. Also with the Ace of Wands, I feel like there's a lot, because we can see there's a lot of fiery energy, so I feel like they have a lot of passion. I feel like there's a lot of passion. But I feel like with the Queen of Wands, it's like they're taking the step forward to move with confidence to come towards you and provide you an offer. But it's like they're really tapping into this fire energy. Now, as we saw in these messages here, there was a lot of earthy messages like nature lover, animal lover. But I feel like perhaps this person may have been very laid back at times, whereas now they've realized now that kind of laid back earthy kind of energy was also hindering them in them feeling confident to come forward and tell you how they truly feel. But I feel like now they're realizing now that they need to step into this fire energy to show. I feel like they feel like they need to, by stepping in this fire energy, it will show that kind of like confidence and bravado that they are willing to come forward and make an offer. Okay, because look what's at the front. I feel like with the Page of Pentacles in reverse, again, this represents this earthy energy. Okay, so I feel like perhaps someone could be a fire sign here. Someone could, or it could be even it could be a tale of like attraction of the fire and the earth. Okay, earth and fire. Okay, that can create an interesting combustion. Okay, of energy. Okay, let's see what's at different. Look, we've got the King of Cups. We've got the King of Cups. So it does feel like there is, and I'm drawn to this card here, and I believe it's the Temperance. Let's have a look. Yes, it's the Temperance. So there could be a soulmate energy going on here. Okay, I feel like it feels like a tale of like coming out of the comfort zone, to really let you know how they truly feel. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what the Jamaican proverb wants to tell you at this time as an additional clue. Okay, regarding the person on your mind, we have the crab in a barrel. Look at this. The crab in a barrel climb upon one another. Now, this proverb is all about the idea that crabs are all stacked up and trying to come out. Now, I feel like in this scenario, the person on your mind is seeing themselves like that. They're seeing that they may have been so comfortable staying in that stack, okay, and not realizing now they have to come out. You know, come out. Almost think of like a turtle or a snail, okay, when they kind of like curl themselves back into their shell. This is what the person on your mind is realizing, that they need to make the moves. They need to come forward. And I feel like they're realizing it can't just, look at the Four of Wands. There's the balance of the two ones on this side, the two ones on that side. Whatever effort has been done on this side, let's say with the divine feminine, the divine masculine has to meet you halfway. Okay, there needs to be an equal amount of give and take here, and I feel like they realize that, and that's why they know that for them to come forward, they've got to step into this And I feel like this could be almost like with the crab in the barrel energy, could be something that is not comfortable to them, to feel like, you know, to come out of their comfort zone in a way of like, oh, I've got to really show, and it's like, yes, you've got to. And I feel like this is why we're seeing a lot of fire energy, because that fire is that fire under their belly. Now that is a message that I haven't that hasn't come for a good while, but I feel like it's this fire in their belly to come forward and step into their power, step into their own, so they can come towards you with like this energy of the Knight of Wands. Okay, stop caring. But look, this energy again is the competition. Okay, and I feel like it's that strong energy of that competition. Okay, really trying to like say, look, you know, there might be others that are interested in you, but Jane, it's you that I want, and it's you. Like, I'm serious about this, and this is how serious I am. Okay, I'm really ready to come and make an offer. What do you think about this? Do you want to take that step forward for us to take that time to get to know each other and build this and see where this takes us? What do you think about this? Okay, now we're just gonna have a quick look with some stickers just to give us some additional clues about some of the things that this person may like, or just to help to describe this person a little bit more. Okay, all right, let's have a look. Okay, all right, yes, thank you. So again, look at this. It's like someone might enjoy their piece. It could be, again, I feel like this energy of like their comforts. It could be someone who enjoys their comforts. Now, if they are an earthy sign, okay, that can be a tendency of enjoying your comforts, okay? But I feel like this person can also have this energy of being very down to earth, okay? Now, I feel like this is the energy, because we've seen all this fire energy and the Ace of Wands. It's like they've got this energy to kind of come out of their comfort zone and really step towards you, like I'm getting the energy to step towards you in a correct manner. Okay, although I feel like there's a lot of sexual attraction here, especially with the Ace of Wands, you know, and that can really represent that big energy. Okay, but I feel like they need to, I feel like maybe that fire energy under their belly is kind of helping them to kind of push themselves out of those kind of boundaries that they've set for themselves, or the uncomfortability, okay, that they may be experiencing at this time. Okay, now this could either be a crush, this could be a love interest. Okay, this could be someone from your recent past. This could be someone who's very family orientated, or they could have talked about family. Now look at the color as well. It's orange. It represents the sacral, the sacral chakra, which is also all about that fire under your belly. It can also represent that sexual energy. Okay, the sexual reproduction system. Okay. So this person could have maybe even talked or discussed or about having a family or things like that. Okay, now this person can be very, very generous with how they show love. It could be maybe through acts of service or through gifts. Okay, again, we've got, this has come up twice. Let's see what this one is. Yeah, so this person could be someone who's very much down to earth. Okay. Now, I am kind of getting that there could be like a mixture of earth, fire signs. They may not have to have it be their sun sign, but it could possibly be a strong earthy and fire element going on here, or vice versa. Okay. Now, this person could also have an interest in current affairs. Okay, as well as perhaps using the time to, I feel like it could also be using the time to maybe send in messages and just waiting to see whether there is any kind of interest coming back from yourself, to see if it's like set. I'm getting like, is it safe, like maybe to come and like, right, if it is, like I'm coming all like with this fire energy. Okay, ooh la la. Right, so we're going to end with a romantic oracle and to intuitive message. Let's have a look. What wants to come out for the person on your mind? Okay, show their current energy towards you and why they want to tell you what they want to say to you right now. Give us a card. Woo, look at this. Someone feels that you are worth waiting for. Someone feels that you are worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. And I feel like this is the energy, like they're contemplating and they're knowing that, look, strong, capable hands. Look at the Ace of Wands here. Yeah. I feel like they're definitely thinking, but I feel like there's a strong energy about admiring the scent. Okay, I feel like it could be your presence, it could be the things that you wear. You may notice from time to time that they may be looking very intently towards you. Okay, right, so we're going to end with a travel imagery, okay, because they're very intuitive. So we just want to see what kind of message comes up for the collective, okay, regarding this person on your mind. Okay, let's just see what travel kind of message wants to pop up regarding this person on your mind. Let's have a look. Ooh la la. Look at this. This represents that, again, that passionate energy with the orange, the chakra, okay? There's a lot of fire energy. And I feel like this person wants to embrace a lot of their interests with you. And I'm kind of getting this energy that they want to be able to have somebody by their side that they can enjoy I'm getting all of the world's wonder, all of the world's joys. Okay. Now the song that's coming to me also is Aaliyah, Tell Me Are You That Somebody. Tell me, are you that somebody? If you do know it, put it in the comments down below. Okay, but we're gonna leave this here. So to the collective, okay, be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. And do have a look on for the pick a card readings, all sign readings, and further the person on your mind readings. And do have a look on the live tab for some Summer of Love readings available every Sunday for the rest of the summer, and they'll just be there as well. So do have a look, and I'll see you on the next one. Wow, gwan.